This is a 1997 Jeep Cherokee with no brake lights. It has brake lights, they just won't illuminate. So I'm going to be replacing the brake light switch. Another common problem with brake light switches is you would have the brake lights stay on all the time. This one has the opposite problem. This is a pretty easy job, but it is done almost entirely by feel. It does not require the removal of anything other than the switch itself. You don't have to remove anything to gain access to the switch. And once you know what you're doing, you could probably do this job in under 10 minutes. Alright, that's the switch. And what I'm doing now is pressing down on the brake pedal, and then I'm going to turn the switch 45 degrees until it clicks. It's sort of a anti-clockwise or counterclockwise turn from where I'm facing. So facing the front of the car, and then it's supposed to just slide out of there, and it did. Wow, okay. Now let's take a look at it. Here's the switch. To remove the wiring connector, I have to push down on these little tabs here. There we go. Okay. The first part of installation is to put the wiring connector in the new switch. Okay. Alright, note the orientation of it. There's the brake pedal. This goes into the bracket from the side that is closest to you. And when you finish, you want the wires off of the wiring harness pointing up. So you slide it in with this piece right here that is currently twisted at a 45-ish degree angle. You want that going in straight. And so the switch is going to be crooked when you put it in. So you slide that in while holding the brake pedal down, and then turn it so it clicks into the upright position. And then when you release the brake pedal, allegedly it sets the depth of the switch. That's what I've heard anyway. Alright, let's try it. Hopefully you can see. I can't see what I'm doing. I'm having to feel. I need to find the bracket first. There it is. Now I'm depressing the brake pedal, trying to get that to slide in, give it a twist, and everything should be good now. We'll see. Oh, it did. Did you hear that click? It sets the depth of the switch. That's kind of cool.